Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. In today's class, we are going to do the text of Leçon 2 après le bac. In the previous video, we studied about the education system of India and France. Today, we are going to do the text about it. Après le bac, after the baccalaureate. Now you know what is bac. Bac is the exam that you have to give in France after completing the school studies to enter into universities. Quand j'aurai fini mon bac, je ferai des études technologiques. When I will have finished my baccalaureate, I will pursue or do the technology studies. Après mon bac, j'irai à la fac. After my baccalaureate, I will go to faculty. Fac is the short form of faculty. It's the different branches of study at the university. Okay. We are doing the translation of the text. So write the translation in your books. Let's start. Pauline et Ali vont terminer leur bac. Ils discutent sur leur projet des études dans la cafétéria de leur lycée. Pauline and Ali are going to finish their bac. They are discussing about their study plan. Projet des études, study plan, in the canteen of their school. Yeah, or their school canteen. Pauline, salut Ali. Salut Pauline, ça va? Ça va? Pourquoi as-tu un air inquiète? Hello Ali, hello Pauline. Are you fine? Fine. Why are you worried? Un air inquiète is worried. Je m'inquiète de mon avenir. I am worried about my future. Avenir is future. Quand j'aurai fini mon bac, when I will have finished my bac, je ne sais pas quoi faire. I don't know what to do. This is futur antérieur. Okay? Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce que tu désires faire? Why? What do you wish to do? Je veux continuer mes études à l'université. I want to continue my studies at the university. Bien. Et alors? Well, and so? Vois-tu, les études à l'université coûtent très cher. You see, the studies at the university are very expensive. Coûte basically means cost, and share is expensive or costly. So you can say the cost is very high or its cost very expensive. Okay. Mes parents au Sénégal. My parents are in Senegal. Auraient-ils les moyens de payer les frais de mes études? Will they have the means to pay the fees of my studies? Payer means to pay. Frais, les frais. It's a noun. It means fees. Okay? And it is in the future form. So will they have the means to pay the fees of my study? Pourquoi faut-il dépendre entièrement de tes parents? Why you must depend entirely on your parents? Tu pourras avoir des bourses du gouvernement. En plus, tu pourras trouver des emplois à mi-temps. You could have the scholarship, a government scholarship. Bourse is scholarship. Okay. Moreover, you could find the emploi à mi-temps is part-time job. Moreover, you could find part-time jobs. So Pauline is saying either you could have government scholarship. You can apply for the government scholarship, and also you can find part-time jobs to finance your studies. For example, le soir, quand tu seras rentré de l'université, après les cours, tu pourras trouver un petit emploi comme faire du babysitting ou laver la voiture ou travailler dans un supermarché, etc. Ainsi, tu pourras gagner ce qu'il faut pour faire tes études. In the evening, when you will have returned from the university after the classes, you could find small jobs like babysitting, washing the cars, to wash the car, or work in a supermarket. These are some of the small jobs she mentioned. Thus, you could earn money. You could earn what is required for your studies. Okay. Merci beaucoup pour tes conseils. Tes paroles m'ont beaucoup soulagé. Bien. À propos, quels sont tes projets? Thanks a lot for your advices. Conseil is advices. Tes paroles, your words, m'ont beaucoup soulagé. Have relieved me a lot. This is soulager is in the past composite form. En is there and soulager, past participle. It means to relieve. Soulager, E-G-E-R ending, it means to relieve. Well, what are your plans? Les lettres et les sciences humaines ne m'intéressent pas. J'ai envie de faire des autres études. The arts and human science. I'm not interested in arts and human science. I wish to do some other studies. Comme quoi? Like what? Je voudrais entrer dans un IUT, faire mes études de technologie. I would like to enter in IUT to do my technology studies. IUT is for technology study. Institut Universitaire de Technologie. So it's for the technological studies. Ces cours ne sont-ils pas chers? Are these courses not expensive? Si. Mes parents sont assez riches pour payer mes études. Of course, but my parents are quite rich to pay for my studies. Quand je serai sorti de cet institut, je pourrai chercher un emploi. When I will have passed out of this institute, I could search a job. Now again here it futur anterior and it is futur. So these actions will happen in the future, but first she will get out of the institute, then she will search for the job. Okay, so this action is taking place before this, so this is in futur anterior and this is in futur simple. Okay, just remember it. Bien, bonne chance. Well, good luck. Bonne chance à toi aussi. Good luck to you also. Below the text, you have questions, true or false, and match the following. Please try to do it on your own. We will discuss it in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.